Hey guys, it's Camelia here, back with another video. Thank you so much for coming back to join me. If you are new here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you have not already. Today, I am just making dinner and sharing it with you guys. I'm making a pasta here, and so I've got some red onions I've chopped, some green bell pepper and red bell pepper as well. And I really did not have like any type of idea like for an end result for the pasta. I just had some ingredients in the fridge and I was like, you know what? I have some pasta noodles in here, so let me just make a pasta. So I also have some roasted bell peppers that I found in the fridge, and I'm just chopping those up as well. Excuse me. And I'm going to be using the Banza chickpea rotini noodles, and they're pretty high in protein and it's gluten free, so thought it'd be a decent option. I added some grapeseed oil, added some pink Himalayan salt as well, stirred that up a little bit, and just go ahead and let that boil and do whatever it needs to do. So now I'm just chopping up some garlic, and I love garlic, so your girl got a lot of garlic here. I'm sorry if you don't like garlic, don't put this much garlic, but I absolutely love garlic. So yeah, got a lot of garlic here that I'm chopping up. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and saute all of this together, starting with the red onion and both bell peppers as well. Just gonna saute that until it's about translucent, and then I'll add in the garlic and the roasted bell peppers. I don't know. I guess I was just trying to use them because I had made like a pizza, a veggie pizza, and it was really good on there. And I was like, you know what? Let me just try it out in some pasta and see how it tastes. So yeah, I'm not sure how that's gonna taste in there. But now I'm just adding in some pink Himalayan salt on my veggies. I like to add some salt for each step, just to make sure that that flavor is there and it's all just coming together really well. So yeah, I added my garlic now and some Italian seasoning. Gotta have some Italian seasoning for some pasta, black pepper. And yeah, I'm just gonna stir that all up, let that finish doing whatever it needs to do. And after a while, I'm going to go ahead and take this off the stove, the noodles, and drain it, strain it, whatever. And yeah, just gonna let that sit while I finish cooking everything else. We're also going to have a salad with this as well, and some garlic bread also. So yeah, I'm gonna prepare all of that while all of my veggies are cooking. So I went ahead and added the roasted bell peppers, and just gonna stir that up a little bit, let that cook a little bit, cook down. And yeah, diced tomatoes. Boom. Yeah, that's what was next. I was trying to figure out like what was next. So added my fire roasted diced tomatoes, added some more Himalayan pink salt to make sure those flavors are there. Got some garden vegetable marinara sauce, pasta sauce. Just gonna add half of the jar, a little bit more than half of the jar actually. And just gonna let that cook down, simmer a little bit until those tomatoes start to get a little soft. Now I'm just gonna make this quick little Caesar salad. Got some organic romaine and some organic croutons, some organic zesty Italian seasoning. Italian seasoning is one of my favorite dressings. It's pretty simple, doesn't typically have a lot of ingredients, and so yeah. I also have some vegan cheese, and I'm going to add some of that as well. It's the Follow Your Heart brand. I like Follow Your Heart, and I also like Bio Life as well. And I used that same cheese for my veggie pizza the other night as well. Yep, just gonna put that all in there, stir it up a little bit, mix it up a little bit, you know. And salad is pretty much one of my favorite things to have. Um, Best way for me to get greens in. I know a lot of people like to get greens in a smoothie, but I kind of prefer a salad. So yeah, just gonna finish preparing this salad, and yeah, it's all done. Quick little Caesar salad without the Caesar dressing, of course. So yeah, just gonna go ahead and add these chickpea noodles, pasta noodles to the sauce. Stir it all up. Make sure it's mixed in really well. And yeah, the sauce was a little thick, so I did have to add some of the pasta water to the dish. That's kind of why I saved it. Instead of letting it all drain in the sink, I saved some of that pasta water because it still has some flavor, with the salt and the noodles or whatever. So yeah, use some of that to loosen it up a little bit. It was getting a little too thick. And yeah, just gonna let that. Oh no, I added a little more seasoning on top, and then I'm also going to add some of that vegan cheese as well. Pop it in the oven for about 5 minutes, not long, just long enough for the cheese to melt a little bit on the top so it can look nice and beautiful for a nice little photo. Got some garlic bread here. I am adding as well into the oven. And I don't know why. Like, I should have put the garlic bread in there some time ago because it was going to take much longer than me just kind of trying to melt the cheese on the pasta. But yeah, I forgot all about the garlic bread. I was more concerned with that salad. Yeah. But everything's all done. Got an avocado here. That avocado is so random. What? But yeah, I chopped up that avocado and added it to the salad as well. And yeah, that was so random. But look at that. Isn't that just so beautiful? So beautiful. Mm-mm-mm. Looks so delicious. And it was actually really, really good. Um, with the garlic bread and everything. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Here is a close-up of the dish, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Come back for another video. I will be posting soon.